All right, folks, good morning once again. This is Chris, Hike San Diego County. Hey, welcome to another episode of Hike San Diego County, and today I'm at the San Elijo Lagoon Ecological Reserve and Regional Park. You see the address there? City of San Diego, right near Encinitas, and take you on a little tour of the highlights of the nature center and the trails here. All right, see you on the next little segment later. All right, folks, it is Chris, Hike San Diego County, back with you again. The San Elijo Lagoon Ecological Reserve and Nature Center. This building is the Nature Center. It's really nice. Looks like it's fairly new. This seems like a great place for bird watching, as you can see on the sign, all the different species of birds that can be seen here. I'm not going to go inside, so I don't know if anybody in there wants to be in the video or not, but it looks like a lot of nice exhibits in there too, of the wildlife. It looks like this is where the trails begin. I'm going to head this way towards that bridge. Let's do a little panoramic shot of the surroundings. We can already see an egret right there in the center of the screen. The snowy egret. Beautiful bird. I don't know the scientific name, but I'm sure that's one of the reasons why a lot of people come here is for the bird viewing. We already see some more of them. Some waterfowl, I think they call that type of bird. Oh, there goes the egret. All right, I'm gonna head over towards that bridge is, where that bridge is, I should say. All right, see you on the next segment later. Folks, Chris, Hike San Diego County, with you here again at the San Elijo Lagoon Ecological Reserve and Nature Center. Here's one of the viewing platforms right by this riparian woodland that I'm about to go into soon, but I just want to show you the nice view of the lagoon from the platform here. This lagoon, the Escondido Creek empties out, and then this lagoon begins and empties right out here by the San Elijo and San Elijo State Beach and the Cardiff State Beach here in well, it's Encinitas right over there, but I think this park is officially on the City of San Diego property. That's it for now. I just wanted to show you that, and over there, that area with all that eroded rock is Annie's Canyon. I did a video on that before if you want to take a look at that one. But anyway, that's it for now, and I will see you on the next segment later. Alright folks, I've come through that beautiful riparian woodland right there, mostly willows, but there were a couple of sycamores in there, and possibly that's going to do it for this little video, this short video and very short hike of the San Elijo Lagoon Ecological Reserve and Nature Center. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right, thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one. Later.